Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Shein points when purchasing an item on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you are now going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home screen of the Shein application, which is the shop where you can see all the items that you can buy. And at the lower part of the screen, you can see all the pages that you can access, such as the shop section. We have category right here, new, cart, and our profile option. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to go ahead and purchase an item and we want to use our points that we have to lower the price. So the first thing we have to do guys is go ahead and find the item we want to purchase. So go ahead guys and select anything you want. Let's say this shirt right here and go ahead guys and click on add to cart. After clicking on add to cart guys, now we can go ahead and select the size we want and click to add to cart, and now we can proceed to checkout. So guys, we can go ahead and proceed to the checkout by clicking the cart option right here in the upper right corner. Click on the cart option and this will now show us all of the products that we have. So as you can see, here are the products, and now guys, to be able to use points to lower the price, we have to go to checkout right here by clicking checkout. Select our payment method guys. You can use either credit card, PayPal, or whatever you prefer. And under that guys is going to go ahead and appear an option that says points. So guys, you want to go ahead and click on points, and in the points option you want to go ahead and enter in how many points you want to use and how much money it's going to take off your price. So as you can see, I have entered my 100 points, and now I can go ahead and place the order, and now this is the price that's going to be used for my order. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.